Hi everyone, I'm back with the Qt tutorials, and in the last few tutorials you have learned all the major scales starting from C, D, E, F, G, A, B, all the 7 scales of major chord. Major scales, right? Major scales are sound with the pure notes like sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. And I'm today starting with the minor scales of the same notes. That is, if you have learned the major scales from starting from C, then that is called C major scale. And now we are starting with minor scales which sound little different from the major scales. Let's start. So let's start with the C major scale first, and then I'll tell you what is the difference between the major and minor. This is C major scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 notes of C major scale which are only on the white notes. In any major scale, if we change the first, second and the third note to the flat, and then 1, 2, 3. If I'll change the third note to this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 note to this. It means a one step back flattened. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is C major scale. 1, 2, 3. I'll change this 3 to here. Then 4, 5. Then this 6 becomes this 6. Then this 7 becomes this 7. So this becomes the minor scale. So minor scale is C, D, D sharp, F, G, G sharp, A sharp, and then C. Let's do it again. C, D, D sharp, F, G, G sharp, A sharp, C. With the same right hand. C, D, D sharp, F, G, G sharp, A sharp, and C. This becomes C minor scale. Remember the formula: third, sixth and seventh note of any major scale. Third, sixth and seventh note of any major scale, if we shift those notes to the sharpened at the back, half note back, that is the formation of C minor scale. Rest all the notes in the major scale will remain same. Got it? So let's do it. C major, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. But C minor is C, D, D sharp, F, G, G sharp, A sharp, C. Number 1 scale. Then let's come back to D major scale. This is D major scale. D, E, F sharp, G, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Remember, I told you to change the third, sixth, and seventh note of the major scale to slightly back. So 1, 2, 3. This is 3 will become this 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 will become this 6, and the 7th will become this 7. Got it? So let's do it. So D. Abhi I am playing the D major scale. This is the 7th note, will become C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, and then. So the notes of D minor scale would be D, E, F, G, A sharp, C, D. D, E, F, G, A sharp, C, D. This becomes D minor scale. Same with the right hand. D, E, F, G, A sharp, C, D. Got it? You need to practice both the scales with your right hand and left hand together like you did for the major scales. Like if I'll play the C minor scale, I'll play like this. If I'll play the D minor scale, I'll play like this. Got it? So see you in the next video with two more scales. Bye.